Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting fast. Check that your iPad has an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection and that web pages load. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, and confirm App Store is listed. Once done, quit the App Store. Swipe up or double press Home and swipe the App Store off screen. This clears small glitches. If network appears fine but App Store still stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios, then reopen the store. Now you solve deeper causes. First, disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If needed, forget the network and rejoin with the password. This clears bad DHCP leases. Make sure date and time are automatic. App Store rejects requests with wrong timestamps. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear DNS, VPN, and proxy blocks. Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset network settings. This restarts your iPad and rebuilds network stacks. To finish, sign out of App Store purchases. Settings, tap Media and Purchases, sign out, then sign back in. This refreshes authorization tokens. Make sure your iPad OS is up to date. Many App Store bugs are fixed in updates, so install any available updates. If the problem remains, try a different network or a mobile hotspot to rule out router issues. As one key troubleshooting tip, create a new test user session or use another device with your Apple ID to verify account-level problems before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.